Oh, so cool. It's time for another episode of Grandma Jane and Joel. Do what?
Another episode of making rocks.
That's right. So first we made the rock. Grandma made the rock before you got here. Yeah. And now this rock already has paint out around it because we already made one, didn't we, Joel? Yeah, we already did one. So now we're going to do the next one. But Joel really wanted to use some different colors on this one.
The middle.
That's good. Oh, that's perfect. That's exactly what we want.
I think that might be too much.
Okay, you want to put some more blue on?
Wait, I want to...
Which colors you want to do?
I need...
Oh, you need to fix the bottom?
Yeah.
Wait, let's get a little more this way. Almost forgot. Okay.
I need the stick to give... Yeah, see?
Yeah, almost forgot about that part.
Yeah, so...
Do the bottom so that...
We want it all like this.
Yep. You're an artist. Look at you. He's an artist. Look at that. Grandma's Lakeside Art Studio, right? It's cold and wet out, so we're painting.
Yep.
Okay, got it. Now, which color do you want to do next? I'll let you pick the colors. That one first?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to stir that one up. We'll have to use this to stir it up. And he's got some gold here.
To pour
Gold. Nice.
And it's going to look even better when it's done.
All right. Okay, so we got some gold. This is Azo Gold by Golden. Okay. All right. And then what next, Joel? Look at all the colors over there and pick what you want to do next.
I want to do this one.
All right, go for it.
Let's spin it up with the stick and then pour it on with a spoon.
All right.
Okay. Now let's pour it on with a spoon.
Yep. Nice.
The next color will be, let's see these colors over here.
Okay.
I think I want to do this one next.
Nice. You can stir it up with the same spoon that you serve it up with. That's good. Let's look at it so far. Wow. Nice, Joel.
Okay, now we need some little blue, and it might make some sparkles with the gold.
Yep. Yeah, it sure might.
Next color for this video.
I would do this one, Joel. It's super sparkly. Maybe we do this one on top.
That one next after this one.
Okay. All right. You pick. Okay.
After this one, we can do that.
Ooh, careful. All right. Got it. Try to do it over the table so it doesn't spill on the floor. Okay. Not that we haven't spilled on the floor plenty. Okay.
We need some of this reddish gold, and it might make gold with the gold.
Yep.
And the red and the blue might make some little shinies.
Yep. I'm loving it so far.
Next color for this video will be...
That one's called, it's called Mateo.
Mateo?
TNT? Yeah, Mateo Mica.
I feel like this says Mateo TNT.
Yeah, it does. Okay.
And this white might make some sparkles too. Oh yeah, it really is.
Stir it up good. Show the camera so they can see it.
Look at this. Look at this.
Put it right over.
It's gonna make a lot of shine.
It sure is.
It looks so
Oh my gosh, that looks so good, Joel.
Yeah, it might look even gooder when we blow it.
Yeah. You know what? I have an idea. What if we don't blow it? What if we just put a marble on it?
A marble?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, when we're done with the rest of the colors.
Okay.
Next color is Blue Super Sparkle.
Okay.
Blue Super Sparkle.
Ooh.
Wow.
Boy, this is going to be a really sparkly one. Look at this one coming up. Wow.
We are done. This is gonna be a good one.
What do you think that one's going to do to it?
Make it sparkly.
I can already see so much sparkle on it.
Yeah, because some of the things are already sparkling.
Yeah.
And
I feel like...
last color of this video.
Ooh.
Room brown.
Bronze, yeah.
Browns?
You're a good reader. You're going to put that on too?
Yep.
Wow, this is going to be a big, great rock.
Yep.
Wow, that's nice. Okay.
Okay. And a little another scoop.
You know what would look good right on top of that?
What?
Some more of this one.
Some more of this
Yeah,
one?
put some more of that one on top. Look at that.
This
Okay.
one.
There we go.
And then,
Now,
should we put a marble?
well, let's put these up there so they can see what we got here, okay, before we try this. Let's go under, let's put this under. We have all these marbles.
Yeah, and we're going to use one of them to roll on the thing.
Yeah, but we got to pick which marble. So these are very light. Well, when we put the marble on, it's going to fall right off. But it's going to leave a nice pattern. I say we do a big heavy one.
Like this one?
We have one tiny problem before we start.
What?
Well, all the paint's on this side. So let's just tip it a little bit and see if the paint moves.
I don't know why it does that.
It looks cool like that, but we're going to tip it. It does it because, oh, the rock's not exactly perfectly straight. Look, it's moving it.
Okay, should we put it on?
Not quite yet. Let's give it a little more. Let's move it a little more. Okay, let's do the bubbles off it. Okay. All right, now, what do you think's going to happen when we put this on there?
I don't know.
I feel like it's just going to roll off but leave a cool pattern. Oh!
It's not moving.
That's what we want. Let it move real slow. Let it fall off. Oh! That's cool.
It kind of did like a volcano.
You want to do it again? Do another marble?
Yeah, what if we put two small marbles at once?
Yeah.
To see what that does.
Oh! So cool. Look how cool it's looking. Okay, what next?
And
You want to get some more marbles? Here, I'll bring them.
one more marble, and then we might go to a different thing.
Okay.
What about this light marble?
Okay, let's see what happens.
I don't think it's really going to move. I think we have to move it around a little.
Okay, move it around a little.
It's barely moving. Why? Because it's so light.
Yeah, let's just set it there. Let's try a heavier one.
A heavy one?
Okay. Oh! That looks really cool.
I think we should use this now.
Well, we don't want to blow it because that'll just blow up all the colors. Let's try some more marbles because we have plenty. I like that. And I have a sneaky little trick we could do too. Let me see if I can find it.
I'm going to do 3 at once. Let's put it on. You know, these ones are so heavy. They made marks really fast.
Whoa, look at that.
Like these ones, look how fast they make them mark. Like why didn't they just go like, oh.
Oh, it is pretty cool. I feel like we need one more that way though to make, put one more and go that way. Or 2 more? Oh.
It looks like a fireworks celebration.
It does. It looks cool. I love that. I feel like we need one more right here. What do you think? One more?
Yeah, but we don't have any.
Or do you like it the way it is?
We don't have any more big marbles though. Maybe small marbles will work too? No, it's not good.
Oh.
Wait, we need one right here and then just gonna be perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
That's
one
pretty
more,
cool.
one more. To go like.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
I really like this so far. Do you like it?
I need to wash off the marbles.
I feel like we need just a little line right there. Could do it like that. Then they all look connected, don't they? Oh yeah, it's easy to wash
It
off
just
the
goes
marbles.
like.
All right, do you?
Spinning. To see if that will do anything.
Spinning's gonna make some of the paint come off the sides, which we need to happen so it doesn't crack.
Wait.
I am in love with this rack, Joel.
Wait, we need one
Okay.
more because look at this.
Okay, you need to go. Oh. Oh no, what happened? That's kind of cool. I love it. The colors on it are great. What do you like the most about it?
I kind of like how it looks like a firework. Going like.
I think it does look like a firework. Let's look at it on the big camera and see. Okay. So I think that does look like a firework. Now, the next thing you need to do is we can't just stop here. We got to clean the bottom off. So we stick our stick under here like this, and then we just go along, and that helps get the extra paint off the bottom. Here, can you do that part? So you're going to spin it at the same time. Yeah. So you're just running around the bottom of the rock. There you go. Oh, try not to touch the top of your rock. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How's it look? It looks really great.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now we need to move it.
We do need to move it. We got to put it on the drying table so we can see the two of them.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we finished, didn't we, Joel?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Uh-huh.
Do you think Mama's going to love these?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, I should say, do you think Mama's going to love this rock? What do you like about it? What's the thing you like the most about it?
I kind of like the sparkles and that it's like.
Did you like the making of it?
A little.
A little. All right, well, let's say our goodbyes. Thanks for joining us today. Sitting at Grandma's Art Studio on the lake, right, Joel?